Looking for a way to boost your car audio without breaking the bank? Here are the 5 best budget 4-channel car amplifiers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Taramps TS800X4. The Taramps TS800X4, priced at just $88. This caught my attention with its solid 800 watts RMS output at 1 ohm, which is impressive for a budget amp. If you're looking for a powerful amplifier that doesn't drain your wallet, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 200 watts RMS per channel, you can easily connect it to various speakers, whether you're using it for door speakers, full-range setups, or even subwoofers. The crossover control, which includes both high and low-pass filters, allows you to customize your sound in a way that really enhances your listening experience. It also features high-level inputs that automatically activate, making installation straightforward, especially if you're not an audio pro. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it can be a bit bulky for tighter spaces. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard installation area, it shouldn't be an issue, and the performance you get for the price makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious audiophile looking to upgrade your sound system without going overboard. Skip this one if you need something compact, or if you're looking for a high-end audiophile solution. For $88, you're getting a solid deal here. Now, if the size of the TS800X4 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design.
The product number 2 is the Taramps TS1200x4, which retails for $139.99. This powerhouse caught my attention because it delivers a whopping 1200 watts RMS, giving you 300 watts per channel at 2 ohms. If you're serious about your car audio, this one is definitely worth a serious look. With its automatic activation feature and RCA inputs, this amplifier is designed to handle a wide variety of speakers, including woofers and tweeters. Its flexibility means you can really fine-tune your audio setup to match your speakers perfectly. Plus, the fixed crossover options allow you to adjust the frequencies, ensuring that you're getting the best sound possible out of your system. It's a solid option for anyone looking to enhance their car's audio performance without spending a fortune. However, some folks mentioned that the setup instructions weren't very clear. Here's the thing though. Once you get past that initial learning curve, the performance really shines, and it more than makes up for any confusion. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, flexible amplifier that can handle a variety of audio configurations. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple and straightforward, as the features may be overwhelming for some. But at $139.99, this amp offers fantastic value considering its power. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something a bit more robust.
Product number 3. Orion Cobalt CBA 2500.4. The Orion Cobalt CBA 2500.4. This one really grabbed my attention with its high-efficiency design and a maximum output of 2500 watts. If you need something that can power your speakers effectively without heating up, this is worth checking out. What sets this amplifier apart is its ability to handle both 2 and 4 ohm loads, which means it can work seamlessly with a variety of speakers. With a continuous 100W RMS times 4 at 2 ohms, this amp ensures you get clean and powerful sound without distortion. The adjustable low and high pass filters let you customize your audio even further, while the built-in MOSFET power supply provides consistent, reliable performance. It's designed to push your audio system to its limits without compromising on sound quality. However, some users noted that it can be a bit larger than expected, making installation tricky in tight spaces. But honestly, if you have the room, the sound quality you get is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget amplifier that doesn't skimp on power or sound quality. Skip this one if your installation space is limited, as that could make it a hassle. For $119.95, it's a great investment for any car audio enthusiast. Now, if the size of the CBA 2500.4 concerns you, the next model is a smaller but still powerful option.
Product number 4 is the Orion Cobalt CBA 2000.4. We have the Orion Cobalt CBA 2000.4, priced at $99.95. This one delivers a solid 300 watts RMS and is perfect for those who want great sound without excessive power needs. If you're looking for something efficient yet powerful, this may be the right fit for you. The CBA 2000.4 is engineered for 2/4 ohm loads, which is a must-have for modern car audio setups. You'll get 75 watts RMS per channel at 2 ohms, which is more than enough to drive your speakers without distortion. The adjustable filters let you tweak the sound to perfectly match your audio preferences, and the robust construction means it can handle a good amount of power without heating up. That said, some users found that it didn't perform as well at higher volumes. Here's the thing though, for daily driving and typical listening levels, it performs admirably, and the sound clarity is excellent. This is perfect for you if you're seeking a reliable amp that packs a punch for everyday use. Skip this one if you're a bass head looking for extreme volume levels, as this may not fully satisfy your needs. At $99.95, you're getting a solid value for a quality amplifier. Now, if you're really looking for a compact powerhouse, the last product on our list is one you don't want to miss.
Product number 5, Timpano TPT 500.4. We have the Timpano TPT 500.4, which is a steal at just $59.99. What caught my eye here is its compact design, combined with a solid output of 500 watts RMS. If you're tight on space but still want great sound, this one is definitely worth a look. This little amp delivers 4 by 125 watts at 2 ohms per channel, and with an efficiency rate of 87%, it really makes the most out of your car's battery. The bridgeable feature is fantastic for those who want to enhance their sound quality by combining channels for more power. Plus, the built-in protection systems safeguard your speakers and prevent overheating, which is a huge plus if you're driving long distances. However, some users mentioned that it might not handle extremely power-hungry setups very well. But honestly, for the price, it's an incredible option for those who need a reliable and compact amplifier for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a mini amp that packs a punch and fits in tight spaces. Skip this one if you're aiming for maximum output and a high-end system. For $59.99, this is a remarkable value considering the features. With all these options in mind, let's wrap this up with a quick comparison.
We just went through 5 budget-friendly 4-channel car amplifiers. The Taramps TS1200X4 stands out for its power and flexibility, making it my top pick for value and performance. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Taramps TS1200X4 because it gives you the best bang for your buck in terms of power and features. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Orion CBA 2000.4 if you need something for high volume levels, as it might not meet your expectations.